Hi everyone, this is Pharmacist Mom. This video is going to be about unboxing Dramamine for Kids Chewable. I purchased this from Target for $3.99 and it contains 8 chewable tablets in a travel case and it's grape flavor. It's great for kids who are not ready to swallow pills yet, and it's for children of ages 2 to 12 years old. This is non-prescription over-the-counter motion sickness medication. So up at the top right corner, there's the expiration date for this particular box, and right beside it, it says it's also lactose free. And let's look down at the drug facts. Dramamine is the brand name for diamond hydronate 25 milligrams, which is first generation antihistamine, and it's also antiemetic. This Dramamine chewable tablet helps with motion sickness symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, and dizziness. It can occur during boat or airplane rides and more. Here are the directions for use. As mentioned before, this is for children above 2 years old. For 2 to 6 years old, chew half to 1 tablet every 6 to 8 hours. Daily maximum is 3 chewable tablets. For children 6 to 12 years old, chew 1 to 2 tablets daily, and daily maximum is 6 chewable tablets. Let's start unboxing. So it looks like this. As you can see, there is engraving of DRA for Dramamine on the front, and the back it's a straight line across the pill. Let's compare with the dime. This is how it looks like. It's probably like a third of a dime. It's smaller than a dime, so it's not too big for kids, and it's white color. Well, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! See you later!